voucher.
Tapos, ilang adults po? 4. Para po sa ating farm animals. Garden po. Where we house reptiles and different kinds of snakes. Tapos po ma'am, 10:30 AM, may show tayo. Or kung hindi nyo makatch, may 1:30 PM po tayo. And then after po noong walking tour natin, using your own vehicle po, sasakay tayo for the drive-thru attractions naman. Ang una pong pupuntahan is Lion Close Encounter. Okay, well, where we house different lions po. And then yung highlight natin ma'am, Tiger Safari Ride. Diyan po, from your vehicle, transfer po kayo to one of our safari jeeps. So, you can go inside the mini hunting ground ng ating tigers. And then after that po, last part is Coco Loco. Puro crocodile po yung freshwater crocodiles. And then after that, Aita Strain po. May mini show po ang ating mga kapatid na Aita. Okay? So, ayun.
Tigers. So long.
Hindi mo na kay ma'am, wala kay infant.
Si Angel. Ayun yun maraming tao.
Be, stand up and sa tayo.
Meron din kayong gift kit. The tiger last. Authorized.
Mamaya pa yun.
Or na lang ito.
Walking tour muna daw.
Sino po elephant?
Sa akin, basta may ganun. Hello mga or ganun tayo po muna sila sa may best student of picture.
Ate, hindi ka.
Picture na tayo. Picture na natin dito, Joe. Hello. 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 Salita ka na par.
Hi.
What is this?
Sarap pa rin yung bak.
May ginagawa na to, yun siguro.
Ba't nasa labas yung kapatid ko?
Oh, is this a
Donkey.
na?
Walang pangalan niya. May ng ulo.
Bakit gusto niya ba yan? Kanya, hi ate.
Here. Here.
Baby, lalaki.
Ito yung 30 busa. Opo, pag may sungay lalaki.
Mama, is this the mommy or ate?
Mami po. Ay,
She said, I'm hungry. I understand them.
It's your donkey. Look, Mama. Looks like cow.
opo, may patches. Hindi po lang sila, ano lang siya kagabi. Ayun yung monkey bear. Sister, brother mo.
Oo nga, my sister.
Kapag maulan na, puro piga.
Pero dito naman.
Uy, hello.
Pag lumingon yan.
Jaguar?
Paano kayo tumagin?
Horse.
Hindi nyo tumalon to?
Pag ganyan tumalon, kaya niya.
Hi.
Ay, mo.
Why the babies are just like this? A bison, a buffalo.
Gusto talaga nila sa putik.
Sa putik ko, nakagilid na lang siya.
But why the
Kawawa naman.
looks like monkeys? How come look at turtle? Look, turtle.
Ayun na, parating na si dinosaur.
Saan si Leia ang kulay?
Ano po ang iguana?
Ano pa nagtatago? Where are their mommies? Where's the iguana? Ayun lang sa side. May camouflage.
Yung po big spider. Tarantula.
Ayun o. Parang ng turtle. Ayun.
Ang dami nila.
No, I can see something like
Baby na.
then why is it long?
Mas balik siyang balat niyo.
Ben.
Tulog mo ah.
Laki! Ano kung ba yan? Ako pala. Why?
Tingin ka kay Ate Shwet. Sa tortoise naman. Ayun yung tortoise. Nagsasalita. Side ko, side. There.
Huh? Look at me.
Para lang siyang raccoon.
Nagtry po kayo nagabili nung na live speed, ma'am. Ayun yung ma'am, itry ma'am. Safe naman po yun, tsaka may hawak naman po kayo.
Ano pangalan pala siya? Digong.
Nakabukot po doon, igagay
Digong pala po.
Digong. Sup, homie?
Well, 3 slice na po yun. Sa 3 slice na yun, pwede na po may encounter yung 3 persons. Hindi
Hello.
po kasi encounter niyo po na, ang pangalan po niyan sa Digong. Ayun po yung mga pangalan nila, sa tapat po ng mga cage nila. Gusto mo ba? Lugod yan.
Si Kuya naman.
Yes!
Lola said let's have it.
Yes! Down!
Magkano po kaya?
100 yun, ma'am. Try niyo, ma'am. Sige po.
Bigyan niya masira yung kulong niya.
Ayun o, nakalak naman Kuya.
Bawi
Okay,
na.
ma'am. Sino po yung
May
magtatry?
ikaw na.
Buong busog pa yun ako.
Hindi, ayun
Sige
o,
po.
may...
Higa. Tingin ka sa camera sa phone para mapicturean ka. O, ganun lang po yan.
Wow.
Oh, go baby. Gusto mo try, ate? You wanna try?
You wanna try?
Ano lang si Kuya? Hindi na.
Basta mag-try.
Don't cry, don't cry.
Sorry na pala, sorry baby.
Tingnan mo, parang si Liam tsaka
Watching na lang pala si Kuya. Oh, watching.
Sheesh! Galing.
Don't cry, ang laki na. Ang laki.
Sino mo?
Oh, see? Ba't ka daw nag-cry? Wait lang, wait lang.
Sheesh.
Ayun na nga si Kuya.
Si Nima, isa naman po ng tiger. Main crossbreed po siya ng lion si tiger. Nima, down! Yes ma'am. Pero hindi po dito nakapibig yan. Sa ibang bansa po siya galing. Galing po siya ng dito.
Coco. Hello.
Wow, laki. Ganda pa nga dyan, babe. Picture ni ate kung paano
Ni
ka.
Coco.
Po si Coco, anak na po siya ni Digong. Yung pinakain niyo po sa unahan. Yes ma'am. Siya po yung pinakabatang lions po namin sa ngayon. Si Coco, nasa 3 years old pa lang po siya sa ngayon.
Pero laki na.
Yes sir. Then kung makakamasdan niyo po yung pinaka-main hair niya na yan, magbabago pa yan. Wala akong iniwan sa mga birds na naglulugon po sila. Nag-change hair mga po yan.
3 years old.
Ipinanganak po yan ng ibay. Mas marami po ang predator o pwede yung mag-stress sa kanila, kagaya ng mga hunter o yung pagka-abortion nila ng mga cubs nila.
Ang lindo. Let's go.
Si Mayumi at si Hia, sila po yung dati namin ginagamit noon pang photo op sa mga guests. Kung napupunta na po kayo dati dito, sila po yung dati namin ginagamit. Just po pinaka. Kaya lang, sa ngayon, sobrang lalaki na po nila. Kaya sa age po nila na yan. Then yung next naman po na doon, si Kashmira. Si Kashmira, isang Fort Lions na din po namin sila. Siya, kasi galing din po siya ng Dubai.
Para saan po to?
Bali po sa itong mga cable na to, kung napapansin niyo po yung mga bato na yan, katuwang po namin yan para madali namin maitaas yung mga pintuan po sa likod. Kasi may time na pinapakawalan po namin sila dyan sa pinaka-playground nila o sa pinaka-hunting ground area nila.
Parang exercise na.
Yes sir, malawak po yan. Almost nasa 1 hectare po. Pero nakashield pa din po ng bako dyan ng cyclone, nag-height po ng 20 feet.
Kung saan naman silang bumabalik dito, sir?
Opo sir, may time po na nire-record na lang po namin yung mga pangalan nila, magre-respond na po yan. Kaya man, pagkawas sa binuksan po namin isang Bengal tiger. Yan ang mga tigers po, sila po ang tinatawag ng mga big cats, hindi po ang mga lions. Pero yun naman po ay ang mga Siberian tiger. Di si Carla, isang Bengal tiger naman po yan. Pero dito na rin po pinanganak si Carla sa Subic Safari, kaya tamed na din po yan, hindi siya kagaya ng mga wild na tiger na nasa kabilang area.
Ba't
Si
mo
Carla,
fight niya?
may time po na itrain namin yan para ma-encounter din ng mga guests. Kaya lang, nung dumaan yung lockdown natin, hindi po namin siya na-continuous na i-banding sa mga guests. Kaya nung magkaroon po tayo ng konting kaluwagan, try ulit namin siya. Kaya lang, ang behavior niya, nagkakaroon na po ng free bite.
ang galing. Galit siya, Mar. Galit.
Ay, baba na! Ay, baba! Umusan ka na! Ay! Baba! Hey, guys! Ay! Hey, guys! Hi! Hi! Next station! Sige, sa bubong! Sige! Gab! Gab!
Sup, homie? Sakay ka dito, punta tayo ang Alex. Isip ang dami nila. Dami. Ito pa oh. Pag nahulog ka talaga dito, ikaw pagkain nila ba eh? Huwag mo ka patulog kayo. Tignan mo naman to guys, sarap ng tulog kayo. Daming dito guys, daming wild dogs. Wild crocs. Ayun guys, ang wild dogs. Sarap ng buhay.
For the first dance, they have the dragonfly dance or sayaw ng tutubi. Whenever they see a group of dragonflies swarming around, they believe that this indicates the arrival of rainy season. And along with rainy season comes the planting season. This is also their means of informing the whole tribe about the sudden changes of the weather. Their next dance is called monkey dance or sayaw ng unggoy. They do believe that monkeys are great hunters in the wild, and there's no other animals who match the skills of monkeys in terms of hunting and foraging. Their third dance is war dance or sayaw ng pagbabayani. Whenever misunderstanding arises in between two tribes, they usually send their young men into the actual battlefield. But before that, they will first perform this dance to ask guidance from their god called Apo na Malyari to lead them into a victorious fight or somehow resolve the problem in a peaceful manner. Last is sayaw ng pamamaramag, a courtship ritual dance wherein 2 or more young men are trying to compete to win the heart of a young woman in a form of dance by displaying different varieties of movements that portray love, beauty, and bravery. And whoever will be handed over by a handkerchief by the rival lady will be the lucky man to win her heart. Wow, that was amazing! How about a big round of applause for our Aita brothers and sisters, the bride of Subic Bay Forest. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome my buddy. Finley picks the ball. Now walking on the table. And he's not climbing on the ladder. Come on, Finley, shoot that ball. Come on, Finley. What a nice shot for Finley. Watching you makes us sweat. I think Finley is now ready for the Olympics. And don't you know one thing that we observed about Finley was that every time he sees a peso on the ground, he picks it up and tries to save it by putting it in his coin bag. Come on, Finley, show them how to save money. Everybody, let's say go, Finley. I think Finley is trying to save this money for prison enrichment. Now everybody think about this, especially for the kids. If you want to buy something, then try to save money instead of asking our parents to buy for us. Isn't it amazing how we can buy the things that we really want out of our extra money? For those who have their coin or peso bill and willing to give it to our animal friends, you may put it in the donation box right after the show. How about a big round of applause for our African great parent named Finley.
Eagle out and here is Michael. Hello there, Michael. Happy morning. Okay, Kuya, just relax. We'll put Michael on your shoulder. Okay, ma'am, relax. You'll put arrows on your shoulder. Okay, ma'am, you'll now take off your blindfold. Now, ma'am, look at them. Okay, by the way, this is arrows. Our hypoberg, their own species to the environment, which makes up their home. They are here for you to appreciate their beauty, their intelligence, and the danger they face in their natural habitat. So, in behalf of the Zurich Safari Management, we would like to remind you, reuse, recycle, refuse, and respect. Maraming salamat po. See you on your next visit and show. And for those who want to give donation to make